Hi, it's me again with Corel tips and tricks. Somebody sent me this picture of a shape, and I had to do a little thinking, a little figuring out, and you could change it up quite a bit. But to get it to look like right there, I made a 12 by 12 square with my ratio locked and hit P, put it in the center of the page. Then I'm going to make another one, Control D, but I'm going to unlock my ratio and I'm going to make it 12.5 by 10.5. And then I'm going to Control D and rotate that 90 degrees. And that doesn't look right. Oh, it went to 13. So it's 10.5 by 12.5. There we go. I don't know what I did. Anyway, then you can take this original and go right here with your ratio lock, and let's put in like 1 inch. And this is where you can kind of see what it's going to look like. That looks pretty good. So now I'm just going to weld it, and you get that shape. I don't think they need that color, and I don't think that's a Corel color, but you could always take a sample, well, you know what, Smart Fill tool, get the eyedropper from the Smart Fill tool and take that color, and there's that color. Well, Corel says it's a special purple, but that, I think anything could be done. But anyway, I think if you look at it without the outline, and then you could make the line thicker and do anything you want to with this. And you could make that's why I kind of did the rounding corners last, because you could make it totally different by taking this, holding down the shift key and just bringing it in a little. And then when you did it, you'd get a little bit different look. Anyway, I hope that helped that person, and thank you for watching.